Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Monte Vista Elementary School, home of the Bobcats in Vista, California, part of the Vista Unified School District. And I'm in the MPR where we just had another amazing assembly today. The focus today was on diversity and the need for human kindness, right? And so we're talking about diversity being our differences, could be on the outside, how we're born, how we walk, talk, see, hear, learn, our skin color, the foods we eat, the languages that we speak, anything that might differentiate us on the outside, but also what's on the inside, right? Our talents, our gifts, our abilities, what we're good at. And so we need to really appreciate and respect everyone for who they truly are, both on the outside and on the inside. And once we start to do that, even like put ourselves in their shoes, we learn to understand each other a little bit better, and we grow from each other, right? Part of our true education is learning from each other, not just what's in the books, but from people around us, because everyone has a story, and diversity is beautiful because it's what brings life to any school, right, all across this world. If we were all the same, it'd be very boring. But the fact that we're different is something that's, for me in my life at least, has been incredible, that I've embraced it, and I've really grown because of it. And a lot of what I shared today, the students really took to heart, and the staff. Some of the videos that we played, very emotional, along with some of the stories, and had some positive music as well, a hand motion rap and a freestyle rap at the end on diversity. But again, it's so important that we do show this unconditional love, because kindness isn't just about showing it to ourselves, it's about showing it to others. And it's also, paramount, so important, because if I show kindness to one person or a group of people, it may not just be that one individual or those people. It could be anyone that hears that kind word, sees that kind action. It might change their heart in a positive way too, right? And so for us to be all in, to really buy into that, to understand that unconditional love we're talking about, love without any conditions, that if somebody's taller than us, shorter, wider, skinny, or different skin color, wears glasses or not, is in a wheelchair or not, is different than us in any way, any aspect, we can still choose to love, And again, that's not easy. Right? That means we have to open our hearts to love. In a world where you can be anything, we have to choose to be kind and choose to show compassion, choose to accept, choose to include. But it is possible. And that's what I really tried to hammer home today, is that yes, this might not be easy to see someone as this too. M for Miracle and for Monte Vista. The lines on our hand, I traced mine again. Some students had theirs traced too today, upside down, W for Worthy. But for the students that come up to me and people in general that, say they don't really like their reflection when they look in the mirror, they don't really appreciate their own diversity or differences, of course it breaks my heart. But I also understand that sometimes they're hurting, sometimes they take the opinions of others as fact, but it's not, right? There's so many opinions, but not all of them matter. What matters is what we believe and what our best friends believe, which is hopefully this, right? To see us for who we truly are, human beings before anything else too. So thanks for touching my heart. You're all beautiful. Remember, just like this picture on the screen, right? The way that we start to change this world is just one act of kindness at a time. As always, make sure to subscribe button as you pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.